And I'm flying with AirAsia to Malaysia. I'm gonna land at 7:40 a.m. So we met in flight. There's another girl. I have landed and I'm finally in my destination. When I see big windows and from Delhi we are coming. Almighty! Good morning. 8:03 Kotak Kinabalu. It's 6:30 a.m. right now. I'm just gonna check. I'm rushing. I'm all ready. Got my bread, water, everything. Timmy is always on time. He's already reached. He's waiting for me. So I'm rushing now. Good morning, Timmy.
Good morning.
Seatbelt first. Yet another pit stop. This time we are here at McD. Let's go. Being a vegetarian in a new country is not easy. We have to find veg food in McD now. नहीं मिला. जो मुंह उठा के आए थे वही मुंह उठा के वापस जा रहे हैं. Good morning from Sabha. Today is day 2 in Kota Kinabalu and we are heading to Kinabalu Park to see the view of Mount Kinabalu. We are hoping that we are able to see it क्योंकि वैसे तो clear sky लग रहा है but still we can't really say. We have Timmy with us over here and he's gonna take us around. कल हम लोग मारी मारी cultural village का जो tour है वो भी इन्हीं के साथ किए थे. And Srishti is behind me. Soumya is sleeping because she is not feeling well. And all three of us are heading to the Kinabalu Park. Srishti, are you excited? Soumya से तो पूछ के कोई फायदा नहीं है. She's sleeping right now. Timmy, I'll teach you some Hindi words, okay?
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
And I'll teach you some Malay words.
Okay. First we'll start with Hindi words.
Okay.
So your first word is acha.
Acha.
Acha is basically a universal word. You can use it everywhere.
Okay.
For example, like you are saying okay right now, right? Instead of saying okay, say acha, acha.
Acha, acha.
Yes. So next word is ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
T.
ठीक है.
Or pik hai.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Yes. ठीक है is basically okay.
Okay. Oh, ठीक
Okay.
है.
Like you're agreeing to something. Okay.
ठीक है.
Yes. Do you want to learn some curse words?
No, no. We don't do that. we don't learn curse word.
Say हाँ.
Ha.
हाँ.
Ha. Just ha.
Like there's a nose usage of nose. हाँ.
Ha.
Yes. So हाँ is yes.
Oh. Okay.
Yes. You're agreeing. So all three words can be used interchangeably, but when you know the language, you know where to use what.
Acha, tika, ha.
ठीका नहीं ठीक है.
Yeah. ठीक है.
अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ.
Acha, ठीक है, ha.
Yes.
Very simple.
Yes.
Acha, ठीक है, ha.
So okay, so you were going to teach me some Malay words, right?
Okay, like thank you,
Terima kasih.
terima kasih. How about welcome?
Welcome, I don't know.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Sama is actually same.
Okay.
So in English is thank you and you're welcome, yeah? But
Yeah.
in Malay, we say sama-sama in return.
Okay.
Yeah. And then salamat.
Namaste. Hello. Salamat is hello.
No, we don't say hello in Malay. Selamat is like selamat pagi, like good morning.
Oh, okay.
Pagi is morning.
Palgi.
Pagi.
Pagi.
P-A-G-I. Pagi
Pagi.
is morning.
Morning.
And then good afternoon is selamat petang.
Salamat patang.
Petang. And then night is malam.
Malam. Salamat malam or only
Salamat
malam?
malam.
Okay, so salamat pagi.
Pagi.
Salamat pala.
Petang.
Patang.
Ah.
And salamat
Malam.
malang.
It's like good evening.
And thank you is terima kasih.
Yes. Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Nice. So we have reached the Kinabalu Park. वेदर वैसे क्लियर लग रहा है एंड दिस इज समथिंग कॉल्ड द मूविंग मार्केट क्योंकि ये मार्केट जो है वो मूव होते रहता है. सो यू गेट फैनी पैक्स, टी शर्ट्स. काफ़ी छोटा सा एरिया है. मेनली यहाँ पे ये जो माउंट किनाबालू का व्यू है उसी के लिए फेमस है. Srishti is gonna do another attempt of flying her drone. Let's see if she'll be successful this time or not. वो है ना माउंट किनाबालू? Yes, that's Mount Kinabalu. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. I'm having the best pineapples of my life. So delicious.
You should actually go down and take videos of the honey pineapple, how it actually looked like. Because there was two type of pineapple. The bigger one is actually a normal pineapple, and the smaller one is the honey pineapple.
So I'm having honey pineapple right now. And if you come to Sabha, eat honey pineapple. And Soumya just had red guava, which was also very delicious. And if you're a vegetarian, get peanuts for 4 ringgit. So we are here at Kinabalu Park. Yay!
Kinabalu Park, other than the flora and fauna, is also the starting point for Mount Kinabalu. So we can actually register and climb for the mountain.
So we had to pay 50 ringgit for our ticket
Hello?
for the entrance of the Kinabalu
Hello.
Park. This is my ticket.
Actually, we're actually at this area, Kinabalu Park area. Yeah. So Kinabalu Park was announced as World Heritage in year 2000, gazetted in 1964. So this area is gazetted under Sabah Park, means that they are not allowed to make high-rise buildings and so on. It's more to nature. 2 hours 29 minutes going up and down. Yeah. Usually for people like us, climb mountain, it will actually take us 2 days, 1 night. 2 days, 1 night. We will start our climb at 1,866 meters at Timpoan Gate. You hike up to Laban Rata for 6 kilometers. So you stay there for 1 night. Next morning, 2 a.m., you hike up to the summit for sunrise. Then you come back down to Laban Rata, is a rest house. You come back down to the rest house for breakfast, pack your things, and you descend. And so actually, for people like us, it take us 2 days, 1 night. But for them, only 2 hours, 29 minutes, 2 seconds. So, can you? Sorry, the whole journey they finished in 3 hours. So we have made it to the pouring hot spring. इससे पहले we went to Kinabalu Park, but वो पार्क में ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं करने के लिए, and it cost us 50 ringgit. उससे पहले जहाँ पे मैंने बोला था कि वो Kinabalu Park है, actual में वो pit stop था. It was not Kinabalu Park, but वहाँ से ही view visible था होता है. And जो मैं दिखा रही थी वो actual में view नहीं था, वो कुछ और ही था. It was not Mount Kinabalu. अभी वो बहुत ज़्यादा cloudy होकर रखा है, तो we were not able to see it. थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे peak दिखाई दिया, but not clearly. And वही same ticket can be used at pouring hot spring. And Kinabalu Park में ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. वो actually basically it is the foothill of Mount Kinabalu. And जो trekkers होते हैं जो Mount Kinabalu hike करते हैं वो वहाँ पे जाते हैं वो hiking start करने के लिए. But right now we are at pouring hot spring and यहीं से एक canopy walking भी है, मतलब tour भी है, canopy tour, which is like 500 meter का hike up and then hike down. तो around 1.5 2 hours हमें total लगेगा यहाँ पे. And वही 50 ringgit वाली जो ticket है वो यहाँ पे भी useful रहेगी. तो यही है यहाँ पे basically. And Kinabalu Park से यहाँ पे आने में it took us around like 1 hour or so. So this is the second entrance of Kinabalu Park. The first one was actually at Kinabalu Park itself, and this is actually pouring hot spring, the second entrance. Yeah. So we are actually here. We're actually at the ticket counter. Then we cross a bridge, and then all the way in to the pouring hot spring itself. Now, this one is a rock pool where the water is actually cold, actually from the waterfall, and this is the bathtub area, and this is the sulfur spring. Yeah, and then we'll be going to the canopy walk. So going up to the canopy, 500 meters. The length of the canopy is 132 meters. The height itself is 40 meters. Coming back down is 500 meters. So all in all, it's actually 1.3 kilometers. We get wet because it's humid inside the forest. So we do a little bit of exercise and we sweat. Yeah. Okay. Come, let's go.
Let's go. Timmy, are you having fun?
It is. I am. I am having a lot of fun today.
Tell us, we are your best customers so far.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, of course. You guys sing, you dance, and we also learn at the same time.
Yes.
So this is a geo park.
Mhm.
It's a protected park, so we are not allowed to pluck anything or take anything. Yeah, we only can leave footprints and also memories.
Leave only footprints behind.
Yes.
So these are the bathtubs in which people can bath basically, and you'll get hot water. So I am standing at the entrance of the canopy tour. बहुत ही spooky सा vibe है यहाँ पे. There is something about being in a jungle that makes me so happy. The smell of the soil and just overall, when you start sweating and to reach a location you have to hike a little bit. It feels like you are actually putting efforts to reach a certain location, and that effort has to be worth it. I just feel so good right now. The way is not defined anymore. It is sort of defined, but not defined. And it's a small hike, 500 meters, but it's quite nice. Just so happy to be here. I think this would be the highlight of today's trip, since we couldn't see Mount Kinabalu also. Let's see what the canopy looks like. For some reason, this reminds me of Meghalaya a little bit. Halfway there.
Sorry.
Halfway there.
Halfway.
Yes. Made it to the canopy. So this is what the canopy looks like. Not that impressive, to be honest. It's okay, it's fine. I'm here. Hi guys, welcome to Sabha. I'm at Kota Kinabalu. Right now we are doing the canopy walking tour. It was a lovely day with Timmy, our guide. मैं वापस कर लूंगी.
Careful with your phone on your head.
So this is canopy 1 and this is canopy 2. That's Soumya getting a video made. Crazy! This one is more stable than the previous one. Whoa, this looks so good. Nice. कैसा लग रहा है?
मजा आ रहा है बहुत.
हाँ, कैनोपी वॉक कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा नहीं था कि कर लेंगे इतनी आसानी से. बहुत इजी था हमारे लिए तो. चलो
I
जाओ.
was expecting more. That is the end of the canopy. So there were 5 canopies in total, and now we are heading back again. It is a 500-meter walk. I don't feel like recording anymore, so I'll see you in the car. Let's see where we go next. We might also stop by at the pouring hot spring again, and I think the next plan is to go to Desa Dairy Farm. But yeah, it was a fun thing to do, especially the last one. It was moving a lot, shaking a lot. A little detour since we are skipping Dairy Farm, so now we are heading to the waterfall. इतना बड़ा waterfall expect नहीं किया था मैंने. I thought थोड़ा सा कुछ होगा, but it's looking very pretty. Nice. Not gonna lie, this is the best thing I saw today. After the humid weather, this feels so good. Pinky आ रही है. बोल रानी क्या चाहिए? बंगला चाहिए कि कार चाहिए?
कैश चाहिए मुझे, कैश चाहिए, कैश चाहिए मुझे, कैश चाहिए।
पैसा फेंक, तमाशा देख, नाचेगी सृष्टि फुल टू है। मुंबई की ना दिल्ली वालों की, सृष्टि है पैसे वालों की। Time to leave Kota Kinabalu and head to Sandakan. The weather is so amazing. I don't feel like leaving at all. Oh, that's my hostel. I feel so sad leaving. I'm gonna stay here for more days. My grab is here. Okay. Guys, how do you feel leaving KK? कैसा लग रहा है? जा रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
We have a 45-minute flight from Kota Kinabalu to Sandakan.
Yes.
It was a very early morning for some reason. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep. Because I didn't go outside
I
yesterday's
also
evening.
did not. I also did not go outside, but I wanted to sleep more.
No,
have
I
to-
slept. I reached home and I slept for 1 hour straight. Then I wake up and packed up my things.
Soumya is efficient that way.
Thank you.
Got my ticket. Now I'm gonna wait for Srishti and Soumya. They're getting some pictures clicked, videos. Good morning. Today is 20th June and I'm sitting at the Kota Kinabalu airport. We are heading to Sandakan right now. We have a flight at 11:25 a.m. and it is going to take us around 45 minutes to reach Sandakan. The stop at Kota Kinabalu was for 2.5 days, and to be honest, it's not enough. I would have loved to stay over here for more 2 or 3 days. It's a beautiful place, and I have missed out on few things. Like you can go for snorkeling at the Five Island tour, then you can also go for a river cruise. But nevertheless, we are heading to Sandakan right now, and the security check-in is done. Everything was very smooth. Again, I'm flying with AirAsia. It was quite smooth, and I'll directly get my baggage over there. And yeah, I'll show you what Sandakan looks like. I have bookmarked a few places, and hopefully they turn out to be good. I'm really excited to see orangutan over there because I've never seen that, and I'm not really sure if they're in India. I don't think so. So yeah. I'm in the flight right now, and I'm gonna get my meal by AirAsia. I think it's vegetable biryani or rice and sambar, and a water bottle along with that. The flight is 45 minutes. The easiest flight I've ever boarded. Thank you. This is the Hyderabadi biryani. I got a bottle of water, and of course, cutlery. This is good. We have landed in Sandakan. It was the shortest flight ever, like literally 30 minutes ka flight time, and we are here. This is also an international airport, by the way. बड़ा easy flight था यार, मजा आया. It was so easy. So this is the central market. I forgot my mic back in my stay. It's a huge market where there are a lot of eateries and shopping complexes. There's a mall, and I think drinks are a thing over here. काफी सारे drink के shops भी available है यहाँ पे. It's raining today. I did not want it to rain, but yeah. So I am in Sandakan right now. I checked in yesterday. I wasn't feeling well, so I skipped exploring yesterday. But I got ready in the morning. Today I'm out for my coffee, and it was very hard to find coffee. But finally, I Went inside a mall, and here I'm at 4th floor. Finally got a hot coffee. There is everything cold over here. So many drink options available, and no vegetarian options are not really available. I just got this from a bakery shop and ordered a waffle over here. That is gonna be my breakfast. Let's see what the coffee tastes like. I'm just waiting for my coffee to arrive. This is actually good. How can I forget? This was the whole point. So happy to be here. Oh, for some reason, seeing endless water makes me really, really, really happy. I'm just so happy to be here. So I have reached the starting point of the cultural heritage tour. I think this is where it starts. But I'm afraid that what if I climb down the stairs and then this is not the way because there is no board over here. What should I do? And no one to ask. Weather kharab nahi hai, but it is very humid over here. And even in Kota Kinabalu, it was quite humid. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा sweating हो जाती है. I got a very cute flower bouquet, which is not real flowers, but शायद crochet का है वो. And I also got 2 cute brooch for my handbag. Very cute. Oh, okay, this is it. यहाँ पे I can see कि वो map लगाया हुआ है heritage tour वाला. Good. So, number 1 is Jeddah Masjid Jamik. Then we have Tugu Peringatan William V. Pyre. Then we have Tanga Seribu. Then we have Ruma Agnes Keith. Then we have Peningala Tangalama. Topang Chinakunyam. Then we have Gereja St. Michael. Topang Sina Samsung Tupung Air Penut. Okay, Bhai Sahab. And last we have Wisma Varisan. This is the Sam Singh Chinese temple. Made it to Agni's Keith house, and the property is looking so beautiful. Just see over here, English tea house and restaurant, and there is the waterfront. Looking so beautiful. I think I'm gonna explore the museum first and then come over here next. Okay, I think this is the English tea house and restaurant. One thing that I've noticed in Sandakan is there are more women folk than the men folk, which is very different from the rest of the countries that I visit. And the majority of the population is Muslim, of course. And the people of Sabha are really very nice. Every single person that I have met, they are really, really nice. They have been kind to me, nice to me, they spoke to me nicely, and even recording has not been a problem over here. Like nobody, till now, nobody has objected that why are you recording, and nobody even made a face. In fact, they were very happy to be recorded, and there were some people who took pictures with me, made me feel like a celebrity. So yeah, every single place that I recorded, in fact, I'm feeling so comfortable recording myself over here in Sabha that I've forgotten the anxiety that it brings along, you know, picking up your camera and talking in front of the camera, especially when there are people around. But over here, I have not felt that way. I've just felt very, very comfortable. There we are. There is the Agni's Keith house. Wait, let me zoom in. We are in the Agni's Keith house. So green. And this is one of the spots of the Sandakan Heritage Trail. Before this, the spot that I went to, that was also a spot for that. And this is Ruma's Agnes Keith. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is also part of one of the Sandakan's Heritage Trail. This is a museum. Now we're gonna get inside. I'm not sure if we have tickets over here or not. I've got the ticket. It cost me 15 ringgit. I had to come back again and purchase this. Now I'm gonna explore. Yeah. So now I've entered and clearly it's a museum. So I'm sitting over here at English tea and breakfast. I've ordered iced tea for myself, and most of the options were non-vegetarian. And I got waffle earlier at the mall, so I'm gonna have my waffle over here. The view is nice. I don't really have much to do over here today since I did not go to the Discovery Center or to see orangutans or bears today. I think I'll go there tomorrow. I'm at a 7-Eleven store. Full vegetarian खाना नहीं मिला हमें बाहर, so that's why कप नूडल्स एट 7-Eleven. The good thing is यहाँ पे पानी वानी भरने के लिए सब कुछ है, तो मैं यहीं पे बैठ के खाना. अलग ही सनकी पैदा हुई है. जब तक तबीयत खराब थी तब तक पागल हुए रखी थी. तबीयत क्या ठीक हुई है, अलग पागल हो गई है.
अरे आपने अभी मुझे देखा तो नहीं, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ.
अरे डोरेमोन, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
सोचा छुट्टी लेके यहाँ आ जाता हूँ जहाँ कुछ भी वेज नहीं मिलता.
Good morning. So today is my final day in Sandakan and I have made it to Labuk Bay. I have entered the area and it is their feeding time. It's around 11:30. So there are two feeding times, 9:30 and 11:30. And I'm not sure if there are other feeding times as well. And I paid 200 ringgit for from my hostel. There's pickup, drop, and also my tickets are included. If you're gonna come here on your own using a Grab, then heading back is going to be a little difficult. And the ticket charges are 60 ringgit. We are heading to the spot. So there are two spots, point A and point B. So you're gonna have to come to point B, and I'm gonna see orangutans right now. So there are a lot of people over here. So there are a lot of them sitting on the tree right beside me. Good morning. Today is my last day in Sandakan and I'm here at the airport. Check-in, baggage और immigration, everything is already done. अभी मेरे पेट में थोड़ी कॉफ़ी गई है, तब जाके मेरे मुंह से थोड़ा शब्द निकल रहे हैं. एंड आई एम स्टैंडिंग ओवर हेयर एट द गेट. काफ़ी छोटा एयरपोर्ट है संदकन का एयरपोर्ट. इट्स नॉट दैट बिग एंड काफ़ी जल्दी सब कुछ हो गया. आई रीच्ड अराउंड 1.5 hour बिफोर माई फ्लाइट टाइम एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज स्मूथली डन. एंड द गुड थिंग इज़ एयर एशिया प्रोवाइड्स अ 20 kg ऑफ बैगेज लिमिट. सो थोड़ा बहुत सामान इधर उधर भी होता है तो इट्स मैनेजेबल. एंड अभी बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट होने वाला है. राइट बिफोर दैट आई एम जस्ट I just got my coffee done and Sandakan was good. To be very honest, इतना ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे करने के लिए, but it is good for a day or two. And then you can also head to Semporna because that is also in Sabha itself. And yeah, this is the end of the trip. इसके बाद I have a flight to Kuala Lumpur right now from Kuala Lumpur. Like it's a 6 hour का layover है वहाँ पे. Probably we'll get out and go to Twin Towers if possible अगर time permits. नहीं तो most probably we'll stay at the airport. And Kuala Lumpur से I have a flight to Delhi. And baggage will get directly transferred to my next flight, so that's very easy. Easily I can explore during the layover time as well, although time is 6 hours, but yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's it. The boarding is gonna get started real soon. Srishti, how do you feel leaving? So good.
Not again!
क्या हुआ भाई? ऐसा लग रहा है हैंगओवर में है क्या?
I'm not ready to answer this question.
दोबारा नहीं आएंगे.
लेकिन एक सेकंड.
I'm not ready to answer this question.
We have landed in Kuala Lumpur and already जो flight है वो already 30-40 minutes late थी and we are running to Twin Towers. We have 4 hours before our next flight. Already जो हमारा baggage है वो check-in हो जाएगा, so we are gonna run. They are already running. A hopeless romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. Let's do this. मेरे को लग रहा है व्लॉग का सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट यही होगा कि कुआला लंपुर में हमने लेओवर में क्या किया. Guys, Charles and Keith, but we are rushing. हम नहीं जा पाएंगे. Found our way out. It's not to find our way out in Kuala Lumpur airport. Srishti is already there. 4 hours का layover, and then we have to take a flight to Delhi. Let's see immigration होगा या नहीं होगा. The girls changed their mind.
Yeah.
Where is Srishti? हमने अपना माइंड चेंज कर लिया. हमें एयरपोर्ट काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, तो हम सोच रहे हैं हम एयरपोर्ट घूमेंगे. मतलब इतने थ्रिल की भी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई मीन यू नो. काफ़ी बड़ा
है भी नहीं
airport है.
जिसमें
5:30 है और जिसमें कि हमारा फ्लाइट
आई थिंक हमें शॉपिंग करनी चाहिए. सृष्टि ओन्स अस अ कॉफ़ी राइट.
क्योंकि हम अब हमारा ट्रिप बड़ी मुश्किल से ले दे के इधर पहुंचा है और हम अपने एक दूसरे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ एक चीज़ के पीछे भागने के.
सही बात है. सौम्या comes to the rescue. Soumya comes to the rescue. When 3 girls are in an airport together, they look at skincare. These are the products that we look at. Welcome to my Charles and Keith haul. I'm at the Kuala Lumpur airport right now and I got 2 bags for myself. Starting with my personal favorite, which is basically both of them. ये खोलेगा कैसे भाई? सो दिस इज़ अ कैनवस स्टाइल बैग. इसके अंदर आपको एक पाउच मिलेगा एंड उसके बाद आपको एक स्लिंग बैग भी मिलेगा, बट मैं तो इसको ऐसे ही यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. कमिंग टू माई सेकेंड बैग विच इज़ अ वेरी मल्टीपर्पज़ बैग. इस वजह से मैंने लिया ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. आई लव द कलर. दिस इज़ अ बॉक्स बैग बट इट कम्स विद एन इनबिल्ट वॉलेट which I think is very very useful. and इसमें मैंने सोचा मेरा Osmo Pocket, Insta 360 सब कुछ आ जाएगा. and there is also a sling bag, तो मैं इसको ऐसे भी कैरी कर सकती हूँ अगर मुझे पार्टी पे जाना है, और अगर मुझे ट्रैवल करना है लाइक एयरपोर्ट लुक के लिए मैं इसको स्लिंग बैग भी लगा सकती हूँ. एंड आई ऑल्सो गॉट बैग नहीं है, तो ये मैंने लिया एक ब्रांड से जिसका नाम है फेलेंसी, जिसमें इनबिल्ट ब्रालेट है. For all my girlies out there who doesn't like to wear a bra inside, guys, get this from Kuala Lumpur airport. Ta-da! It fits my curves perfectly.
Wow. Brown color is wow. Brown mud color. Mehendi color wow. Hot chocolate wow. Thank you.
Amazing.
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा. आपने बहुत डिफरेंट कलर लिए, मतलब अच्छे.
Finally, it's time to leave Kuala Lumpur and head to New Delhi. 4 घंटे का layover था, बट मैंने यहीं पे टाइम पास कर लिया. I got Charles and Keith and a bunch of other stuff. And finally, we are heading back to India. इतने सारे सिक्योरिटी चेक-इन्स और इतने सारी फ़्लाइट्स के बाद फाइनली हम गेट पर हैं. ये पूरा एयरपोर्ट नेविगेट करना इज़ अ लिटिल डिफ़िकल्ट एंड वी हैड टू वॉक अ लॉट, बट हियर वी आर heading inside the gate and finally boarding our final AirAsia flight back to New Delhi. Preparing for landing. Srishti ji, back to India.
Yes. Very happy.
Hi Soumya ji. ये पहले मुँह छुपा ली तो पता था.
Hello दोस्तों. सो जाओ.
4 घंटे की नींद के बाद भी Soumya is still sleeping. We made it to
India.
nice. हाँ, finally 5.5 hours के flight के बाद we are here in India, New Delhi, and that brings me to the end of this vlog.
Okay.
Finally हम आ गए हैं 7 days का ट्रिप करके, and और कुछ हो नहीं हो, we have become good friends.
Yes, true. That's true.
Yes.
जो यहाँ से बेस्ट थिंग हम ये लेके जा रहे हैं वो यही है, हमारी फ्रेंडशिप. ये memories. True.
Make sure that you book an AirAsia flight when you are visiting Sabha, and like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.